Alright, welcome to Discovery and Nature Channel and shit. Today we see the goose are having their traditional fucking annoying sounds out on here the lake. What they're celebrating here is Geese Day, which is a celebration of the Lord Satan. It represents the time that even fucking Satan hated ghosts so much that he converted to Catholicism and was resolved of his sins, leaving only the goose as the one true evil in the universe. Um, uh, so we got goose. Oh shit, the pelican. Oh, here's the pelican. Wait, no, that's just a really fucked up duck. In the 1950s, they bred ducks with chickens to trees. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. Oh my god. They're just... Oh man. Let's talk a little bit about the nature here. This is Papago Park. Beautiful out there. Beautiful Palo Verde trees and cat hair. The palm tree, little known fact, is actually native to Tempe. I have lived here my entire life, and there's always been palm trees. So then they took them to Hawaii, and I thought, that's neat. They've got palm trees in Hawaii too. They came from here. What else came from here? Emma Stone, David Spade. Should come to Tempe because we got a hole in the rock. Tempe is really the best state in the nation, if I'm perfectly honest. Alright, I don't know, I lost a bit, like 2 minutes and 15 seconds into this ago. Oh dear God, improv's the worst.